Hi, Austin. So I took a look at your image here, and from what I can tell, you are coding in Notepad a Java program. Then you're trying to, in the DOS prompt, issue the javac command to test your program, and you're getting this message: javac is not recognized as an internal or external command, opera program, or batch file. So now I'm going to refer you to the textbook. So if you click on this here, creating a Java program, which I think you did. If you go way over here, I'm going to jump over here now. So now I'm in the book, and I'm actually right here compiling a Java class. So I think this is what you tried to do. So then it talks about what happens when it doesn't work. Compiling program will produce one of the error message, and this is what you're getting. And it says if the source code is not in the current path, you can type a full path with the file name. So that would be what I would try. What I would try next, because I don't think you did that. So I would type javac. That I would type the whole path of your file, which would be this right here. So you would have to type where it's saving it, all of this right here, and then see what happens. Now, that's option one. Option two is really what I think you should do. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Now I got to figure out how to get back to my browser. It's hiding somewhere. Okay, here it is. So here at the very top, it says, if you are using a development environment such as JGrasp, you can compile your program by clicking the compile button or by clicking the build menu and selecting compile. You did this option if you are using a text editor. So this is what I'm actually going to encourage you to do. I'm going to ask you, I'm going to encourage you to go search for JGrasp. This is a programming environment, and from my perspective, this is the easiest programming environment when you're just using Java. So you want to go here, and then you want to go to download, and then depending on if you're a Mac or a PC, you'll have to figure out which one of these that you need to install. So this is all free open source. Now, once you get it up and running, it's going to look something like this. So to make a Java file, you're going to say File New Java. And what happens is you get this window that you're going to program in. This is where you start typing your program. So public class hello and public static void main string arts. And then you're going to type system out print hello world, and then okay. Then in order to test this out, let me clear this. You're going to do a file, and it's going to say save as, or you can hit this. Where are you going to save it? I'm just going to save it in the downloads folder, but you can redirect it anywhere you want. Now, so there's a two-step process. First, you have to compile, which is this symbol here, and if you hover, it'll say compile. So compile. Now, let me do that again. When you hit compile, you'll notice a couple things. Here it's issuing the javac command for you. Operation complete means you have no errors. So if you want to test it, so that's compile, which is test for errors. Run runs your program. So when you hit run, this is where the output's going to go, and it prints for you the message, hello world. So easy to use. Now, if you mess up, let's say you forgot this semicolon and you went to compile. Oh, it gives you all kinds of nice messages to tell you what you did wrong. It highlights the line that's messed up. It tells you, hello Java 5. 5, what does that mean? Well, if you come over here and press this button, it puts on line number. So it's telling you, hello Java at line 5 has a mistake. And then to make it even better, it's telling you what you did wrong. You're missing the semicolon, and it's pointing right where the problem is. You have to fix those kind of errors or you can't run it. And then if you type a semicolon now, recompile, then you get the happy message. So operation complete means you have no errors. So now if I run it, I get hello world. So the moral of the story is you can try, typing in Notepad and play around with that command like I told you, or you can download this other programming environment. Now, the good news or the other news is once you really get into the course, when you start doing coding exercises, like this one, for instance, there is a built-in sandbox already in the course. So if you just get frustrated and don't want to waste time trying to figure that out anymore, you can just work right in the sandbox. So you can just go, jumped ahead of the game. I apologize. I got too excited. You can go right, I did it again. Go right to start assignment. And if you go right to start assignment, what it's going to do, it's going to open a sandbox. And then you can just type your program right in the sandbox. So you type your code here. It even usually gives you starter code. To run it, you hit this button. Here's where your output is, and so forth. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you still need more help. Thanks. Bye.